Lesson 13. In this short lesson, you will learn 4 small but very useful Malagasy words: this, that, these, and those. These words let you point at things around you when you speak. Listen first, and then we will practice.
Ity boky ity.
Io trano io.
Ireto voankazo ireto.
Ireo olona ireo.
You may notice a special pattern. In Malagasy, the word for this or that appears twice, once at the beginning and once at the end with the noun in the middle. You will see this pattern in every example. Let us begin. First, to say this book in Malagasy, you say
Ity boky ity.
the little word at the start and end both mean this, and the middle word means book. Listen and repeat.
Ity boky ity. Ity boky ity.
Next, to say that house, something further away, you say
Io trano io.
the little word at the start and end both mean that, and the middle word means house. Listen and repeat.
Io trano io.
Io trano io.
Now for the plural, to say these fruits, more than one near you, you say
Ireto voankazo ireto.
the longer word at the start and end both mean these, and the middle word means fruits. Listen and repeat.
Ireto voankazo ireto. Ireto voankazo ireto.
And finally, to say those people, more than one further away, you say
Ireo olona ireo.
the word at the start and end both mean those, and the middle word means people. Listen and repeat.
Ireo olona ireo. Ireo olona ireo.
Wonderful. Now you have all 4, this, that, these, and those. Let us do a quick mini challenge. Listen to each English phrase and say the Malagasy out loud during the pause. Take your time. The pattern is always the same little word at the start and end with the noun in the middle. How would you say this cat?
Ity saka ity.
How would you say that car?
Io fiara io.
How would you say these flowers?
Ireto voankazo ireto.
And how would you say those trees?
Ireo hazo ireo.
Wonderful. With these 4 little words, you can now point at almost anything around you in Malagasy. Try it during your day. Find an object near you, find one far away, and practice saying this or that with it. See you in the next lesson.